How do you set this part up?
Well, this is the tensile latch, and you need to make sure that it's put in the right way because it needs to be just like this. So I'm going to flip it upside down, put it through, and then put the harness through the loop. And so the buckle's at the back. I'm going to strap the harness in. It needs to go through just like so. Pull it back.
You have a lot to work with, eh?
Mm-hmm. Unlock.
So
pull
pull
back.
up. Yep. Yeah. And then crank.
Don't go all the way because I'm going to tighten everything from every corner.
Yeah, so you're just setting it up so it's in position. And then you level afterwards.
Gotta make sure every corner of the tree everything is aligned. We're gonna have people rolling into each other all night. So I'm trying to go for this way. So I flip it upside down.
Yep.
Put her in. Flip it through. Tighten it down.
Okay. So blue.
And this harness. Put her through. Pull back. Unlock.
I guess it's important that you always take your time with that too.
Yep. And now we're going to do the tightening process. This one's too tight, so if you get too much rope, you pull the lock, you bring it back,
And loosen
it, and then pull the tight so it's more.
Okay.
So it's good, it's tight.
It's like a team job.
Tighten
Well,
just
it
a
is
little
a
bit.
two-person tent,
Go
so.
into each corner. And you see how I put the latch on the bottom? Because obviously this is a higher point.
Mm-hmm.
Those latches are on the top because you can crank, but this one is on the back, so then you can actually crank it properly. So release, and when you release, you need to be careful because it's going to.
Release the pressure. It's like almost like spring launch.
Loosen all the way, and then pull. Make sure it's tight. Release the lock. Tighten her down. See how you can pull?
Yeah, use your weight.
Lock it in for a minute. Tighten the other corner. Alright, so judging by looking at the tent, you can see that it's, you gotta pull that side down more. It's a little lopsided to the right, so we gotta make sure everything's leveled. You got two poles here, and they just extend out. Yeah. pretty easy.
Nice tight.
You got, please?
Mm-hmm.
Always wondered what a dipless rest may appear as.
Yeah, because yours is more like a cocoon. Trust me though, if you don't stabilize it and set it up properly, this one's like a cocoon too. Oh. But it has that built-in separation piece.
Yeah. So we're just gonna get these spokes through now. Slide this one through the other side.
And then they just place into the rubber nubs. There you go.
Yep, push. Maybe it's a little easier to do a version. Can't really reach. You can push a bit more.
So the Tentsile Connect opens from each side at the end, as well as the front side.
And now we have the cover.
Lime green
Let's just
and
put it on
orange.
the edge here for now.
We chose an orange cover because bugs are less fond
Alright, let's set up this
of the orange shade, believe it or not. They're the rubber coverings for basically if it's going to be soaking wet at night, you put them here and it prevents water from getting into your tent.